Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I've got something truly amazing to unbox and reveal. The Hisense 75 inches smart TV with a 4K UHD and all the bells and whistles. This TV promises to transform your home entertainment experience. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. Here it is, the Hisense 75 inches TV. As you can see, the box is pretty sizable, which is to be expected for a TV of this magnitude. The both sides of the TV showcases the stunning design of the TV, highlighting some of the key features including the smart TV capability, the HDR support and more. And now the moment we are all waiting for. Let's remove the protective packaging and unveil the Hisense 75 inches TV. Alright, now that we've got the TV out, let's take a closer look at what else is inside the box. So guys, here we have the TV stand. The TV stand has a sturdy build and is designed to complement the TV's beauty while producing a reliable support for the TV. Assembling the stand is a breeze, just a few simple steps and it's ready to go. Wow, the TV is securely mounted on a stand, ready to take center stage in your entertainment setup. With everything unboxed, it is time to power up the TV and see it in action. The setup process is straightforward, and within some moments, we are greeted by Hisense logo as the TV boots up. The initial screen prompts us to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and once that is done, we are ready to explore the smart features and content. The smart features on this Hisense TV are truly impressive. The interface is snappy and responsive, allowing seamless navigation through a variety of apps, streaming services and content. Whether you're a fan of streaming movie, binge watching your favorite shows or gaming, this TV has you covered with its arrays of apps and built-in functionalities. Connectivity-wise, this TV is quite versatile. Plus, the TV supports voice control and comes with inbuilt streaming apps, eliminating the need for additional device in many cases. We have got multiples of HDMI inputs, USB port and inbuilt Wi-Fi, ensuring that you can easily connect all your devices and peripherals. Now let's talk about the picture and the audio quality. As for the audio, the inbuilt speaker provides a surprisingly immersive experience, but for an even more cinematic sound, you may want to consider a soundbar or a home theater setup. The 4K UHD resolution delivers breathtaking clarity and details, making every scene come to life. With HDR support, colors are rich and vibrant, while the contrast ensures deep blacks and bright whites. In conclusion, the Hisense 75-inch Smart TV is a powerhouse of entertainment. With its stunning display, smart features, and user-friendly interface. It is top contender for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or simply enjoying streaming your favorite content, this TV will deliver an exceptional viewing experience. Thank you for joining me as I unboxed and share my impression of the Hisense 75-inch Smart TV. If you're in the market looking for a new TV, definitely consider checking this one out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit this notification bell for more content. Until next time, happy watching.